How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King. I cannot forget about DJT Trump Media, so I want to do a little video on this before the trading week starts. So let's see what we're having here, and it's kind of crazy because this is actually looking like a really strong buy here for anyone that actually is going to take the risk here, and I'm going to show you guys why. Anybody that watches my system is probably going to know why, but we're going to get right to it. So. DJT is known for massive spikes. As you can see way back in here, in the January 12, 2024, it was just on an absolute rip. It went from 17 bucks all the way up to 58, started coming back down, and then made a newer high up to the $79 range. I would not be betting against this stock as it's right at the lower band of an average true range of 4, which is very strong that I can see this pumping up here. And as you can see also, we have a long lower wick that it's saying, okay, yeah, this is looking very, very bullish. So let's go over DJT. If you guys don't know my band strategy, if you don't know what this, what you're looking at, do keep in mind you can join my premium Discord. I have access to where you can set up your charts just like mine. You can join my Discord. It's only $6 a month for my swing trades. I get you my actual alerts, trades, and everything, and then $12 a month for everything, and that swings and day trades. The link's down below if you want to join. But I promise you, you're gonna want to join, and I'm gonna show you guys the system and how accurate this is. So we have DJT. We're hitting the lower band. This is a very nice thing because when I see this, it does not mean I look to buy right away. It's just like, okay, this is really nice because stocks cannot go too far past the ATR 4 unless there's like some terrible news. And if I look at the trends, so yeah, Trump media expects nearly 70 million from the move that helped cause the stock. So I'm not really like seeing anything that's going to be like, oh wow, it's so devastating. And even if it is, I don't see it going too much past this, as this is looking like a very nice territory for a move up. Now, I'm going to talk about conservative targets because we need to know this because I don't think it's going to hit the EMA 20 very fast. That could take some time, and I just don't know. I think we should just take the conservative targets of the EMA 5 for sure, and then EMA 10. Because oftentimes what happens, guys, the first couple touches on the EMA 5, if you don't know that's your exponential moving average, it tends to reject. So we want to make sure that we get above this EMA 5 and we stay above it. Because oftentimes, as you see, algos to a T, look what they do. They hit the EMA 5 right here, making you think it's going up, and then it rejects. Then it goes back down to touch this EMA 5 right here, and then it rejects. And then we go all the way back down, and we're touching the lower band, and we're starting to get some bullish action right here as bulls are confident. And should we touch this EMA 5 again? Absolutely. And we'll probably reject. But what I'm saying is you have this massive upside range just to the EMA 5. 31, it's at 31.14. The price is, even with this big move down, it closed at 27.66. Still massive upside range, and that is insane. That's what you want to see with this strategy. You want to see a nice upside range to the EMA 5 that if you have to get out, you could still make decent profit, at least 10%, right? So yeah, congrats to anyone that bought DJT down in here and took the confidence. I really like it because you had the 1, 2, 3, 4 daily candles not touching your EMA 5, and anything that don't touch your EMA 5 and 5 daily candles is considered long, especially with stocks that are more watched, more volume. So this one I can definitely see getting picked up. We have clear support at the 22.55. I don't think we're going to get there till we have a nice rejection to the EMA 5, and then it could get there. But I know a lot of people are watching that. I don't trade based on support and resistance. I trade based on this band strategy, and I think you guys are going to love it. We also had a 5.99K right here. If you guys don't know, in the bottom left, there's the bottom indicator is that yellow line. That's a stochastic oscillator. Obviously, anything lower than 10 is oversold, especially with the bigger stocks like this one that are higher priced. 5.99 is extremely low, and then we have it closed at 8.31 on here. So I'll be watching this ticker. If it touches that lower band one more time, I'm definitely going to get in on this. So yeah, that's DJT. Yeah, I don't mess with this stock, guys. This thing can make a massive rally. You just got to be very careful, get precise entries. Don't just randomly buy, because if you just kept randomly buying and had no system, look at all these red candles that it just wrecked you with. So you definitely want to do the best thing. And because trading is all about probabilities. Do you have an edge? Which we do. And then next thing is you got to control your psychology, trust the system, because I promise you guys, this system will win you guys over 95% of the time, as long as you do exactly what it tells you to do, as long as you accumulate properly, you don't get FOMO, and you guys will do amazing. If you guys want to access this system, keep in mind you can always access it by clicking the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. There will be a link that's pinned. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. And what you want to do is head on over to the server shop up in here, and you can see that we have swing trading and day and swing trading. I obviously recommend the day and swing trading, because swing trading can be kind of boring. Instead of just waiting, there's usually always a play for day trading. Like VHAI, I played last Friday. It had a big down move, and we traded that reversion to mean and made over 30% gains just on one trade in literally 10 minutes. So yeah, you can make lots of money, but it's $12 a month for the day in swing trading and $6 for this swing trading. If you guys want to do it on your computer, because it is cheaper than on your phone. If you do it on your phone, you're going to be charged an iOS fee. So do keep that in mind. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope to see this thing skyrocket, but you guys know my first target is always the EMA 5. If we get a rejection, then we look to rebuy back at the lower band, and then the EMA 10 is going to be getting hit too. But I just don't know if it's going to get hit too fast, because we don't really have the time distance on the 10 and 20. So I would definitely focus on the EMA 5 and obviously scale out. And you can take profits more along the way. Because look at right here, you could also have this kind of thing too. Look at this. You get right here, we're not even at the lower band. Look at this. Massive candle just to the 10 and 20 in a heartbeat. So you can always have that. You just got to make sure you have all the scenarios in your mind. So, hope to see you guys in the premium Discord. I give out my alerts there if you guys want them, if you're a premium member. And if you guys like this video, give a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it. And I will look to see you guys in the next video. Happy Sunday, everyone. Stay blessed, stay happy, and much love to all you guys. Peace out.